Right here I have found some frog eggs, and as you see, they are forming right now, and soon these will turn into tadpoles, and then these tadpoles, they will grow some legs, and then later on, when their legs get bigger, they're able to bounce super high, and also they still have their tail on. And also, after that, this is what they do next. It's amazing. They lose the tail and they don't lose their feet. And that's the amazing part, how they do their life cycle. And I was just telling you about the life cycle.
Good morning, and thank you, Cade, for that great introduction to today's lesson, all about frog eggs and frogs. Right now, this pond is fairly quiet, but in a few weeks, it's going to be busy with action. Frogs are amphibians. That means they are cold-blooded vertebrates that have aquatic gills early in life, followed by a terrestrial or land set of lungs for breathing later as adults. Frogs lay their eggs in ponds and lakes, and those eggs must stay wet or they will die. They lay thousands of eggs at a time. Now, a group of jelly-covered eggs is called frog spawn, and that jelly has a bad taste to it to protect those little eggs from predators. And like Cade said, in a few weeks, those eggs will hatch into tadpoles. A group of frogs is called an army. Frogs don't drink water, they actually soak it into their body through their skin. And they can breathe through their nose and also through their skin. Now, frogs need to live near the water because their body needs to constantly remain moist. If not, they could die. This is a northern leopard frog. They are very common in Wisconsin. Frogs catch prey with their tongue. Prey like flies, mosquitoes, moths, dragonflies, grasshoppers, worms, even small snakes, mice, or even a baby turtle here or there. Interestingly, their eyeballs assist them in swallowing their food. They push the food down their throat by pushing down their eyeballs. Now, those eyeballs have a field of vision of almost 360 degrees, which means frogs can see all around them almost all the time. In the winter, frogs will hibernate or enter a state called torpor. Torpor is a state of physical or mental inactivity, and it can go on for months. As Cade told us earlier, those tadpoles in the spring will turn into frogs. This is called metamorphosis. That means it's a process of changing from an immature or young form of life to an adult form in distinct stages. There are about 6,300 species of frogs in the world, and about 10 of those can be found in northern Wisconsin. Frogs can be found virtually anywhere in the world, from the cold Arctic climates to the rainforests to hot desert regions. Frogs are amazing creatures. They start their life as an egg covered by a jelly-like substance. Thank you, Cade, for your help today, and all of you have a great day.